Basic phrases in Afan Oromo. Basic greeting phrases in Afan Oromo. Akkam bultee, akkam bultan. Danaaddar, danaaddaraachuu. Akkam bultee, akkam bultan. Akkam ooltee, akkam ooltan. Akkam ooltee, akkam ooltan. Akkam waaritee, akkam waaritan. Akkam jirtaa, akkam jirtu. Nagaan ooli, nagaan oolaa. Nagaan buli, nagaan bulaa. So this is what akkam bultee, good morning for one person. Akkam bultan, good morning for many person or for showing respect. Akkam oolte, good afternoon for one person. Akkam ooltan, good afternoon for many person or showing respect. Akkam waarite, good evening for one person. Akkam waaritan, good evening for many person or showing respect. Akkam jirta, how are you for one person. Akkam jirtu, how are you for many person or for respect. Nagaan oli, stay safe the day for one person. Nagaan ola, stay safe the day for many persons or for showing respect. Nagaan buli, stay safe the night for one person. Nagaan bula, stay safe the night for many persons. These are the basic phrases that will be used for communication in Afan Oromo. Thank you very much for attending and keep it up. Be strong. Learn Afan Oromo with me. You can subscribe for free. Galatoma, fayyaa ta'a, baradhaa Afaan Oromoon dubbadhaa.